Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to our trail. Today we're taking the wetland trail at Cullaby Lake. We've got the Lundgren axe-hewn home behind us here. Can you see it? Let's go.
Let's do it. Hello everyone, we wanted to take a minute and introduce you to one of the two dogs that we have. This is Winifred, but we oftentimes call her Winnie. Winnie is a Chihuahua and some sort of terrier mix, which we kind of debate and ponder all the time as we see different dogs and different types of mixes. And Winnie dog, we actually got her at a petting zoo. An unexpected doggy on their farm had puppies, and they just brought them to the petting zoo, and they didn't necessarily want to keep all of them, and so we took this little one home. And she is the sweetest cuddle bug. Say hello, Winnie doggy. Mwah.
Wanted to show you guys this sweet little cutout right here for a little seat.
You know, I never actually, should I just sit there?
Sure.
Give a little
Let's give the people a
demo?
demonstration. It's a little wet today, but
There's also been a considerable amount of snake sightings, so I now look for them.
looks very cozy.
It is, and it's dry.
Nice.
I like it.
All right, well now all we need is 1-2 more and we'll be all set with all these turned into
Little
benches for everybody. All right, we're on the back side of the walk now. The freeway's over there, you can probably hear the noise. The great thing is during the summer, spring, summer, everything is so bloomed, you can't really hear it too much or see it too much, so that's good.
Good girl. Good girl.
Some of the wildlife often spotted along our trails are these little robins. They bounce around, finding little bits. Often have worms hanging out of their mouths or a little bit of a twig.
I've also been finding a couple of robin eggs, which is kind of cool because it's such a pretty robin blue.
Oh yeah. So how you doing today, Luga? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, are you waving to everybody? Can you blow a kiss too? Oh, that was so sweet. Aww. Little Luga sending kisses out to you guys. Alright, so we showed you guys all of the orange scotch, or the yellow scotch broom that was blooming. week ago, and now you can see it's almost gone. It's really died off. The blackberries are really starting to fill in and flower.
We should have ripe blackberries, what, end August?
Yeah, end of August, early September, depending on how much heat we get. As you can see, we are already changing. These will be juicy, delicious blackberries soon. This is Luca's impersonation of a rooster. Oh.
That smells good. Thank you, Lou. Does Daddy want to smell?
Oh. Oh, such good smells.
Luca, smell? Oh.
You want to eat it, don't you?
Put it in your ear. Oh, is it soft? Is it so soft?
Bless you. Bless you. Got some blue sky, it looks like. Just maybe a little bit. Maybe not. Here's a little egg. Not sure who it belongs to. All right, we have got a little something. We're gonna see if we can find it for you guys that we saw last time we were here.
It's a little washed out with the rain.
Oh yeah, it's a lot washed out.
And now that I see its pace, I don't think that's probably as good as a track. See how close together the pace is?
Yeah.
I don't think it's a bear.
No, there's a good one right there. Right there. Oops, sorry.
It's probably our fox, or what we saw the other day. Alright everyone, come with us to our own wildlife viewing area. As we found out, you can see lots of wildlife in these viewing areas. They're usually raised and open up to a space. We've heard elk here before, but
we've smelled elk here before.
We've never actually seen one. We've seen a deer, just one. And there have been bear sightings, and so, you know, with a baby, it's something we want to make sure we're safe about in case we encounter a bear. So we do travel with bear spray, little peace of mind for us, for something that will probably never happen, a bear run-in. But seeing one from far away would be cool.
I agree.
I think the coolest thing that I have seen in this lake area as far as wildlife goes is when the male deer was swimming across the lake. You know, it had water up to here and just swimming along. And it probably took a good, I'd say 10 minutes to get across, and he walked right out, and it was quite peaceful and majestic and just really, really cool to watch.
Yeah, we've got the whole family here, huh? Oh, some good Winnie love. Eee! 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 Well, this is great to see. We've got some small parties out here, obviously less than 25 at this point, but they're enjoying the lake. Looks like they've got a little potluck they're putting together, maybe some balloons. They got a birthday going. Super cool.
It's great to see families being able to get together again.
Yeah. We've been now on quarantine for a couple months in this area, and having it finally open, it's weird to see cars and stuff, and this has kind of been our little sanctuary besides the guy mowing the grass. We've been about it. So it's nice and different at the same time.
All right, tip of the day. Something that we've learned recently as the summer progresses and it starts to get warmer, snakes like to come out and warm themselves on the open path. So we first started to notice baby ones, but not too long ago, Winnie Dog was on her leash and came across a snake, and luckily you, my love, pulled her back before the snake could then attack, bite, whatever it's called, that it sneaks out and tries to get you.
Yeah.
And so you pulled her back really nice and tight. So our tip is number one, kind of look out. You know, it's not just twigs you're looking out for now, so kind of scan the ground as
Especially
you're walking.
It's a little warmer out.
Yeah,
Maybe you're
more sun.
near some rocks or some blacktop.
That's where we tend to see them more. And so just kind of be aware that it is a thing that can happen, and just be alert. The next thing is walk your dog and hold the leash in your dominant hand. And that way they can enjoy and have freedom and explore. But then if you see anything, an animal, a snake, something that they should not be in, you can instantly pull back. You probably naturally do this if they come across a pile of something smelly you don't want them eating or rolling in. So similar concept, you know, just knowing that snakes are out there and they do want to protect themselves. And so we want to protect our loved ones and our fur babies as we have fun exploring safely.
Coming down Butt Alert.
Butt alert.
Let's try that again.
Butt alert.
Coming down Butterfly Alley. No butterflies today, everybody.
We promise and swear that butterflies normally fly around here. We just haven't captured it on film yet.
But we will.
We're always on the the lookout for treasure. And this is our find for today. Has a little bit of a weight to it. I don't know what it is, but probably a piece of some building materials.
Playground is still closed, but the lake is open. So we showed you guys a little bit about this before, but this is the axe-hewn home, also known as the Lundgren house. And it was actually made by a Finnish pioneer named Eric Lundgren and his neighbor, and it was originally out by Stopestone Creek, and it was brought here, I think sometime in the 60s, maybe even 70s or 80s. It was fairly recent that they took it all apart, but you can see the whole thing is joined together and was cut by hand to make this beautiful home that resides out here. There's also a sauna.
Sauna.
The home is open during the summer on the weekends when a volunteer is out here. It's really kind of cool. We've not seen the sauna open.
I have.
Oh, it has been?
Uh-huh.
Oh, we have seen it open.
It's nice, it's cool. I'm excited for it to reopen. It's a dreamy place. I think every time we pass it, I kind of wish I could like open up a bed and breakfast. But it's a special little place to walk by and dream.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us on today's episode of Our Trail. And if you like what you saw today, remember to go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notifications when we have a new video. Say goodbye, Luca. Blow a kiss?
Maybe next time.
Maybe next time. Goodbye, everybody.